My name is Belgica and I'm an actress in the San Francisco Bay Area, and I make acting related videos every Monday and Thursday. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and subscribe right now. Today I wanted to talk about how to be an extra on Stranger Things. So I stumbled upon a casting call for extras for Stranger Things recently, and I thought I would make a video because maybe a bunch of people are searching for this and they don't know about it. I personally can't benefit from this video because I'm in San Francisco or the San Francisco Bay Area, and this is for Atlanta, Georgia. So if you're wanting to be an extra on Stranger Things, here is how you do it. I was on Backstage the other day and I saw that Stranger Things was casting extras, so I thought I would show you guys it. So it is Netflix, of course, and I thought they were done filming, so maybe these are just reshoots for season 3, because in the actual application it does ask you if you have been an extra before for season 3. So here it is. This shoots April 14th in Atlanta, Georgia. The pay is $75 for 8 hours. I'm guessing Georgia has lower minimum wage than the Bay Area, which makes a lot of sense because it's only $75 for 8 hours, where here in the Bay Area I think it starts at $108 for 8 hours. And then you would just complete your free online application here. So I have done a video on how to be on 13 Reasons Why, and for here in the Bay, we use my casting file. So I guess this is like a different version of a similar thing where it's a free database basically for actors in order to be extras. So here you would just put all of your information. It says everything again. So that is super easy. That's it. That's all you have to do to apply. If you've never been an extra and you want to learn more about what it takes, what it's like, I have done a few videos on the times that I have been an extra, because I've been in a few different TV shows and films here in the Bay Area. I like doing extra work because I like to meet other people and make some extra money. At the end of every video, I feature another channel, and today I wanted to feature Jay Lynch. She makes travel and lifestyle videos. If you would like to be featured on my next video, please make sure you're subscribed, comment, and like this video.